Elevation Health family and friends, have an important message for you this morning. This is Dr. Dave Yachter, the chiropractor, wishing you a healthy and happy new year. And question for you, if you haven't been asked yet, who do you know that wants to feel great, lose weight, and have their healthiest year ever? Those questions can and should be answered by the end of the broadcast today. So in the few short minutes, I want to address with you the top three challenges of weight loss. The top three challenges of weight loss. The first one is consuming diet foods and drinks. That's right. Lean cuisine, diet drinks, 0-calorie colas, all of these items, and even prepackaged meals like Weight Watchers and things like that. Most of them are loaded with toxins that cause hormonal dysfunction as well as inflammation. And that directly causes your body to store fat. So the deception with these items is that the scale may be seemingly going down, but really the reality is that you're most likely losing water and muscle and not fat. It's also important to understand that artificial sweeteners used in diet foods and drinks, the pink, the blue little packets, yellow sugar substitute packets that are all on the table, they're all linked to diabetes and obesity because of the effect that they have on insulin levels. So the bottom line is, if you're looking to lose the right weight the right way permanently, you really need to avoid all of these at all costs. So the second point I want to make is, if you're counting or really conserving calories, the thing is, your body is smart. So when you eat less, your body begins to slow down your metabolism. And when it comes to weight loss and fat burning, you don't want a slow metabolism. You want to raise your metabolism. Obesity, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, and most cases of heart disease are all diseases of metabolism. So if you use this one stone correctly, so to speak, you can kill all kinds of these birds in one shot. And so, plus the key to keeping off the weight that you lose is not just raising, but resetting the metabolism. Just cutting calories and starving yourself, unfortunately, will cause just the opposite. I will say that if you're going to cut out anything, it should be the calories that cause your body to store fat, the calories that create a hormonal response. So not all calories are created equal, and a calorie is not just a calorie. Some foods, even low-calorie foods, will cause that hormonal change that causes your body to store fat. And if you cut calories and you keep eating these items, you may lose weight, but it's only a matter of time till it comes roaring right back, plus a few more pounds. And if you've ever seen this happen, we know that it's very, very frustrating and very discouraging, to say the least. So the third point I want to make is about exercise and exercising too much. I may be as guilty of this as some of you watching this right now, because you just want to do more and more and more and exercise every day. And sometimes you just go over the top and do too much. But I will say that I am super careful not to push myself too hard and overtrain, because what that does is that leads to elevated cortisol levels. And when your cortisol levels go up, your insulin levels go up as well. And when insulin goes up, it causes your body to store fat instead of burn it. So this is another common mistake we see with exercise as an adjunct to weight loss. When trying to burn fat, all the studies show and point to the fact that less is more. And so, in fact, many studies show that exercising isn't even necessary to lose weight. So again, it all comes down to the hormonal effect that's caused by the way that you eat and what you do when you exercise, the type of exercise. And when it comes to my health, the last thing I want to do is just wing it. It's just way too important. I don't want to reinvent the wheel. I want to do what works to get the best results in the least amount of time with the least effort. So the difference between success and failure is always in the details, right? I'm sure you'd agree. And that's exactly how we lead our patients through a healthy fat loss program, not just a weight loss program, a fat loss program to correct the metabolism and confidently get you on track for a healthy future. And so the bottom line is this, a 40-day metabolic correction plan, all right, not simply a weight loss plan, correcting the metabolism. That type of plan results in not just a body fat loss of 15 to 30 pounds, but an improvement overall in your blood sugar, your blood pressure, your cholesterol, and really your overall quality of life. Knowing that you're proactively reducing your risk of a heart attack, stroke, cancer, diabetes, maybe reducing or eliminating medications, what better gift can you give yourself and even your family for that matter? So if you've never heard about our ultimate fat loss system, then please stop what you're doing now. Make sure you register for this upcoming workshop. If you're wobbling in the wobble chairs, walk up to the front desk, get your name down because we have limited seating and it's going to be standing room only. This is one of our most popular workshops. You don't want to miss it. So at this event, you're going to learn how to melt the fat off your hips, off your thighs, how to comfortably fit in your favorite clothes, how to lose your fastest 15 pounds ever, and how to keep it off, more importantly. How to balance your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your cholesterol, increase your energy, and improve your sleep. So if you're ready for 2025 to be your healthiest year ever, then I look forward to seeing you at this workshop. It's coming up Tuesday, January 14th at 5:45. This is going to be our ultimate fat loss masterclass event. Register yourself, your family members. We have a handful of seats for guests. So, think about who you know that really needs help this year. Bring them along. It's going to be a life-changing event. Family members, friends, loved ones, whoever it is, go ahead up to the front desk or call us now at 954-472-6002 and get registered for this event. You do not want to miss this. I look forward to seeing you there. Love and appreciate you. God bless.